Hi guys! Meron ba sa inyo na feeling super drained lagi, lalo na during certain times of the month? O yung tipong ang bigat ng pakiramdam mo at hirap kang mag-focus? Dahil sa New Moon Hormone Balance Supplement, medyo nakahanap ako ng support system para dyan. This supplement from New Moon PH has myo-inositol and D-chiro-inositol, which are known to help balance fluctuating hormones. Ang goal nito ay hindi para maging high energy ka agad-agad, but to give your body the nutritional tools to help promote smoother hormonal cycles. For me, this translated to a feeling of more sustained energy throughout the day at mas light na pakiramdam. Lalo na sa mga moments na may nararamdaman tayong monthly discomforts or yung biglang pagbabago ng temperature, nakita ko na mas madali kong na-manage yun with consistent use. It helps alleviate those common symptoms. Remember, Hormone Balance is designed to provide support for women, men, and teens. If you're looking for that gentle help to feel more in control and kickstart your own New Moon wellness journey, all the details, including the link para makabili ka, ay nasa bio ko. Try it out and see the difference it can make in your daily well-being. Ito na ang sign mo para mag-invest sa sarili. Click the link now. Thank you!